Today, I'm making Seekh kebabs. I got the inspiration for this recipe while visiting India with my dad. Goat is big in India, not so much here in the US. So in efforts to make it a little bit more American friendly, we're substituting ground lamb, which is a little less gamey in flavor. And then to cut it even further, we're adding ground beef. Don't be overwhelmed by these spices, even if they're unfamiliar to you. You can find almost all of these in your local Indian or Asian grocery store. First, we have garam masala, which is a blend of warm Indian spices, ground cumin, methi, which is a dried Indian herb used heavily in Indian food, amchur powder, which is green mango powder, not green in color, but green as in unripe. It's dried and then ground. Salt, pepper, cilantro, red onion, garlic, and ginger root. Now get in there and mix it up. You want to evenly distribute everything and make it one big, happy, delicious mess. Next, add the zest and juice of 1 lemon. All right, mix gently, well, really folding. Cover and chill in the refrigerator overnight. Allow all those spices to work their magic. Form into a log shape and press the skewer into the meat. Cook each side for about 5 minutes. You're looking for 155 internal temperature. Now the best part, we get to eat. All right, we're gonna top the naan with our Indian summer salad. Tomato, cucumber, and red onion. Nestle in the kebab. Garnish with our kebab sauce. A little bit of cilantro. And some green chilies, as much as you can handle.